welcome to Knott's Berry Farm in Southern California. We are here for the 50th anniversary of the log ride. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have fun?
Yeah.
Are we gonna ride the log ride?
Yeah. No.
Check out this sweet pin we got. Awesome. I'm gonna wear mine here in a minute. Okay, Camp Snoopy, Knott's Berry Farm. Here we go. React video, how was it? Good? What do you say?
That was cool, actually.
That was cool?
Also, I recommend it if you're underage.
You recommend it? Are we going to the next thing?
Yes.
Where to?
Over there.
This way? Okay, they're over here at Pigpen's Mud Buggies. Right up there you can see the back of the old miner and his burro. But that's not what we're watching right now. We're watching these kids. Hey, what are you doing up there? You don't know? Do you know? Who's driving? All right. Here we go, fire up the vomit machine. Okay, yeah, very fun. Good thing it's before lunch. Oh my goodness, what are you doing? What in the world?
Make seated to the right comes a focus, please stop. Thank you for the Pigpen's Mud Buggies and enjoy the rest of your day on Knott's Berry Farm.
You gonna be sick? I am. Just watching, I'm getting sick. That was terrible. Oh, that's sad. What do you got there in your hands?
Knott's berry juice.
What is it?
Knott's berry juice.
What's it in?
It's this.
It's in a collectible cup from Knott's Berry Farm with the free refills. Okay, here we are entering the Rapid River Run, aka the Vomit Boat. Oh, here we go. Oh my goodness, I'm getting sick already just watching this. Oh my great, oh, yep, that's it. That's where we say goodbye to lunch. Oh my gracious. Oh, Lord Almighty. Hey, you two. What'd you think of Camp Snoopy?
That was cool.
Was it cool? Was it a good time?
That's so good.
Did you get to do everything you liked?
Yeah, that was actually fun. One of them I did face my ears on that day.
Seriously?
No, really, I actually did.
Well, let me ask you, are you ready to go to, where are we headed?
Ghost town.
Huh? The ghost town? Might get spooky. You gonna be all right? Joe, check it out. Look,
No.
it's a Founders Day hold down. Are you ready? See the log ride?
No, we're not going there.
We're not going there? You sure? What do you say? Cheese? All right. Where are we headed?
To the minecart ride.
The mine car?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be a large time.
Yeah.
We're gonna look for gold.
Yeah.
We look for treasure.
Yeah.
Look for silver.
Yeah.
You guys ready for the Calico mine? How about you?
Yeah.
You ready? Here we go in the line at the Calico mine. Hey, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready for the mine ride? You gonna be all right?
Yeah, I'll be all right.
Are you gonna cry?
Yes.
I'm gonna cry a little bit. Or get sick? You got a sad face? I'm gonna say, oh, no, too bad, he's going. Fake sad face. What about you? You ready for this? You sure? You don't know? Maybe?
No.
You scared? You gonna cry? Don't cry. It's easy. Oh, is that a sad face? Oh, we'll be okay. There you go. Okay, hang on. What's he doing, fishing? I think he's fishing. He's gonna catch some fish.
One stray spark and the log kingdom come.
Oh my goodness. Oh look. Oh, that's nice.
I love the organitronics.
Take a look at that.
Pretty, huh?
My, what a beautiful sight, I tell you. Say now, that's like 7 seats. That big nugget. That's about 10 pounds of it.
Oh, that's nice. Wow. Look at That's not a good sign, is it? Oh no. You better hang on.
It's too late. They're ready to move. Slow that train down.
Oh my goodness.
That'll wake you up in the
Yeah,
morning.
they'll wake you up like this.
Did we make it? Oh my goodness. What do you think of that? Oh, he's okay. Cool. How you feeling? Getting wore out a little bit? No? You gonna survive through the Calico River Rapids? Oh, well don't cry about it. You have fun? I'm gonna have fun. Joe, what do you think? Are you gonna compare if the Calico Rapids are better than the Bigfoot Rapids? Or are you too tired for that? How about you? Oh, maybe you take a nap on a ride. I'm starting to get scared. I may have to get out of line. Okay guys, hey, last chance for the restroom. Okay, this is it. Last chance to turn back. Are we gonna do it?
Yeah.
You sure? I'm getting scared.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get ready. Oh my. You ready?
Yay!
Okay.
You're in Grandma's place.
Bye, Megan.
Uh-oh.
Put your phone away.
It is away.
No, it's not.
In my hands.
Hey, Megan.
Yo!
I got my special t-shirt. Oh my God. I'm gonna get so wet.
Oh my gracious.
No.
Oh my goodness. What's even happening?
Damn, son. People. Holy crap.
Roy must be down.
Sick.
Oh my goodness. Oh no, there goes the timber wolf. Phew, we're safe.
I didn't even.
We're safe. Ooh. We're safe.
Oh shit.
I'm scared. Oh my goodness.
Look at it, got a butterfly.
Kill me.
Is that Grandpa?
It's Grandpa. It's gonna be Grandpa. Shoot me.
Oh my goodness. Oh, look at the raccoons.
I am the god.
Oh, there's a bear. Woo!
Holy shit. I don't even get it wet at all. I'm just about to be immersed. No!
Oh, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Oh, we're safe. We're safe. Oh, there's a chicken.
No!
Oh my gracious. Oh, my shoes. Oh, here we go. Look at the bear. Oh, I barely saw him. Oh no, we barely knew him. Oh no. We barely knew him. Oh no.
That got so.
Guess who got soaked? Well, did you live?
I lived, but still got wet.
How about you?
Yeah.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
I'm soaked to the bone. What are you doing?
Nothing.
What are we on?
The Iron Reef.
Ooh, how are the other rides?
They're fun.
Yeah, I'm ready. I hope this is a calm one. I need a nap. Hey, what's happening there? Poindexter? I like your glasses. You should wear them more often. All right, dude, this is where I get a little scared. Are you scared? I'm a little scared.
I'm actually scared.
You're not scared?
I am.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh, and if I get too scared, I may get off the airplane.
Okay.
Okay.
It shouldn't be far. Get ready.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
We can.
I'm ready.
I can't wait to try together.
Watch it. Watch it out. Gracious. You see it?
Monster who attacked my boat. We need to get rid of it.
Oh, what is that?
I can detect its presence.
All right. Okay. Oh yeah. Got him. Fun stuff. We rode the ride. I think Walter Knott would be proud. We're proud. Are we proud?
Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
No.
We're going to come back and do it again, but now it's time to go home and eat dinner. Like, subscribe, notifications, all the goodies. And yeah, hit that little bell. All right, see you later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey, what are y'all doing? Are you on the Mexican hats? Are you going to throw up? I'm going to throw up just watching. Holy smokes. What a disaster. Somebody's going to get sick. Oh, goodness. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, you better stay in that chair or he's out of here. Woo! Oh my goodness.